He not cut on the boat. That's not what you're supposed to do. In any class, you can't do that. No, it's a free entry.
We got Malcolm's story up here.
this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
When he turn on both balls, why you can't hit the bag up? Why you can't hit the bag up? He's on the bag up. When he turn on both, why he can't sit over here? We can't sit over here. We can't sit over here. That was fucked up. But he did. But he did. Why did he get out? Because he didn't get out. It's a stage. Let's go. We was already in the main. Not like that. That's a low. That's a low. Did he not cut on the bulb? He did not cut no bulb on, did he? That's a low. Hey, let me tell you something, man. You can't use the word. You got that thing. He wasn't backing out. I know he said what the race is. He can't tell you that race. What I'm saying is, once you I'm gonna say this. Hold on, listen. I'm gonna say this. If you had a side bet with somebody and you know the person will get paid, but we're running it back, in my opinion, that's not a race because he's out the car. But he got out of it. What driver gets out the car race? That's not what you're supposed to do. Second of all, he kept both beams out. Exactly. So that's what the car, that's the rule. In any class, you can't do that, Rocky. In any class, you can't do that. That's a race. That's a race 100%. No, they not gonna come back. That's he ain't gonna be in. So they have to be out. No, fucking he out. Wait a minute. You can't get out the car.